What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. This vlog was actually supposed to be very different. It was supposed to be an update on my body 2 weeks after starting training at the tribe. But as you all know from the last vlog, I went down with dengue and so it completely derailed my progress. This vlog is going to be very different because of that. I am actually going to do a haul. We have this box over here. We are also en route to tribe right now. This is a Nike haul. I order all of my gym stuff from the Nike app directly because that stuff gets shipped from Singapore, and I feel like that has a very big difference in quality from the stuff that you get over here. The only difference is that you have to pay like a little bit of a shipping charge. There's no customs duty. It's included in the price. So there's like a shipping charge of 1,000 rupees, 1,200 rupees, something like that. And above a certain value, there is no shipping cost. I don't know what the value is. So this is about 50k worth of stuff. I wanted to show you guys what are the new updates that I'm making to my gym gear. So let's open it up. So as you guys know, I always have long hair, so I need caps while I'm at the gym. So we got a couple of these, one black, one white. I always like to wear white caps, but because they get dirty, you need to keep getting new ones. No matter how much you wash them, they eventually still get extremely dirty. So I get the classic dry fit caps. They work really well at the gym. They wick sweat off really well, and if you wash them, then they won't even smell in the long run. We got two white ones because I always wear white caps, and one black one just for good measure. These are the Nike Everyday Dry Fit Crew Socks. I like wearing longer socks while working out. I also am switching out from wearing black shoes to white shoes now, so all my socks will be white so that it has some continuity with the shoes. Got a few pairs of this because, I mean, you can never have too many socks. Now for the main event, we have got two pairs of shoes. You guys know the classic orange boxes, and we have two of those. Let me tell you why we have two pairs of gym shoes and not just one. If you train hybrid, or if you do a separate run workout and then a separate strength training workout, there are two different types of shoes that apply to each purpose. Over here, these are the Nike Zoom Pegasus Pro Plus. Yeah, the Nike Pegasus Plus. This cost, let me tell you how much it cost.
17.
No. Maybe. Yeah, you're right. So these are in the Wolf colorway, and these cost about 17k before shipping. These are very classic shoes. I always default to Pegasus for my running requirements. If you try and go for the Alpha Flies, you'll realize that for your daily runs and for your treadmill and everything, having that carbon plate is too stiff. It's not required at all, and you're actually going to end up with a lot of foot pain. It's too much of an arch. This is way better. Speaking of an arch, the whole reason why you want to swap out two running shoes when you're running is because the arch on a running shoe is favorable for running. It supports your foot much better, as opposed to the stability that's offered by our shoe number 2. Shoe number 2 being the Nike Metcons. So the Nike Metcons are way better for lifting. They are more stable. As you can see, there is almost no arch on the bottom of the shoe. So this keeps you more planted. The best part about unboxing this right before hitting the gym is that you will see these babies in play. So let's check them out. Now you've seen everything that we have in the haul. That's all that there is. And yeah, let's put these babies to test.
Hey, this a rolling, not a stop. Watch shit don't never stop. This the flow that got the block hot. Shit got super hot. Hey, give me my respect. Give me my respect. I just took it left like on ambidex. Bitch, I moved through London with the Euro steps. Got a sneaker deal and I ain't break a sweat.
Working out after getting dengue is rough, man. Fatigue kicking in super early. A few weeks into my training at Tribe, I had hoped that my body would have started reflecting the added intensity of the workouts here. But instead, I lost the last couple of weeks to dengue. So we're kind of in a rebuild phase now as opposed to a transformation phase. That's okay though. That's a part of life. A good goal to have in fitness is learning to enjoy the process more than wanting to attain the end result. And I kind of feel that over the years, that is where I've reached with my fitness goals. You will always catch me with a good sweat wicking cap at the gym because I wear my hair long and it's really distracting to have it fall on my face during a workout. especially in exercises such as the ab rollout that you're seeing here. Switched out from the Metcons to the Pegasus here as I get started on the treadmill. A beautifully balanced everyday running shoe, Nike is a personal favorite of mine. But I want to know which brands you guys use for your gym wear. Let me know in the comment section below. As always guys, hope you enjoyed this unboxing and run through. Remember to like, share and subscribe to support me. See you guys in the next one.